Hi, welcome to another roundup of the commodities complex at 2 p.m. on Thursday, August 22nd, 2013. Last evening unfolded with the Fed meet minutes being released. Not much came or no outcome was announced of the Q3 stimulus as was expected by the market, but some commentary came up that in due course it's likely to be downsized and markets are expecting some major announcement in the next FOMC meet, which is likely to come up on September 17th and 18th, 2013, which would be the last meeting chaired by its chairman, Mr. Ben Bernanke, at which point of time the markets are now expecting that the program would be announced for downsizing of the QE stimulus or the bond buying purchase. The markets are steady during the course of the day today, but the highlight, of course, has been the further weakening of the INR to levels of 65.6. As of now, trading at around 64.90. The close above 65 seems weak further to test the highs. Of course, tomorrow being a Friday, more profit booking could be seen, and hence some consolidation at current levels could happen, or some strengthening could be coming in by tomorrow before the outcome of next week's data and all that will decide the next course of the INR. Markets are now talking about 66, 68 levels in the months to come. Remains to be seen. If it holds above 65 and 66, the commodities complex is expected to gain further. We'll now talk about the individual commodities. Gold is now trading at $1,371 after hitting an intraday low of $1,360, breaking above the resistance of $1,370, now at $1,371. Next resistance will be seen at $1,374 and $78. On the MCX, now trading at around the 31,450 to 500 mark. Strong support is now seen at 31,200 and it likely to test 31,600 to 700 if INR holds at these current levels intraday. Silver is now trading above the $23 mark, which is a key resistance, and it's now at $23.10. Intraday hit a low of 22.70 to 22.60. On the MCX exchange, it's trading positive closer to 52,000, which would act as a resistance now. Current strong support is now seen at 51,600 and resistances could be tested at 52,300, 600 and even up to 53,000 could be in store for us in the day ahead. Crude is now trading mild positive on account of recovery in the dollar rate at 104.40 as against the low of 103.50. Resistance is now seen at around the 105 mark. Strong support on a weekly basis at $102. On the MCX exchange, it's trading around the pivot of 5,800. Strong intraday support or the stop losses for buys would be seen at 57.35 mark. Resistance at 58.33. Breaks above could test up to 5,900 to 6,000 in the days to come. For intraday, keep a tight stop loss of 58.37. Resistance now at 68.37. Resistance now at 68.33, above which it's likely to test up to 68.50 to 68.80. Natural gas is consolidating at higher levels, now trading at around the 225 half mark. Hit a high intraday of 227.50. Resistance could be tested at 228 to 230. Strong weekly support is now seen at 221. Buy on dips is recommended. Of course, we have the inventories in natural gas today, which could decide the next move in natural gas, MCX. Now we come to the commodities complex. Copper is the highlight of the show, now trading at 480 after a close of 471.80 levels. Intraday high of 481.70. If it sustains above 480, the next resistance could be seen at 484. A close above 484 to 485 could see further upside. Downside support is now seen at 476 and 474. Overall, buy on dips is recommended. Any recovery, any further weakening of the INR could see further appreciation in all base metals, especially copper. Lead, zinc continue to remain positive. Lead is trading around the 145 mark. Buy on dips is recommended at around the 143 to 144 with a stop loss below 140 for targets of 148 and 150 in the days to come. Zinc continues to remain positive above 121, 125. Currently at around the 127 mark. Could target 129 to 130. Strong support is now seen at 125. Buy on dips is recommended with a stop loss below 123. Aluminium is positive again to test 123 to 124 in the days to come. Nickel also is consolidating above 940 at this point of time. Strong support or a stop loss for buys would be around the 928 mark for buys on dips up to 936. Resistance is at 948. A close above 948 could take it up to 952 and 960. All daily updates and commentaries have been posted on our website www.akshayashiv.com. Please visit for our intraday and weekly calls at our website. Thanks. Have a safe trading day. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.